Hello, my name is Virgil Hughes. I'm a financial educator with Centennial Wealth Advisory. I would like to take a moment to speak directly to the human resources managers and business owners of Northern Michigan. I understand that not everyone is going to be familiar with Centennial Wealth Advisory. We are a financial advisory firm with deep roots in Northern Michigan. We have offices located in Traverse City, Gaylord, Cadillac, and Petoskey. We are unique in the financial advisory space because of our focus on education. This commitment to education is evidenced by our informational television series that's been airing on all the major networks in Northern Michigan for well over a decade. We are focused on the whole person and take a truly holistic approach with our clients, as we are sure you do with your employees. Through our work with thousands of clients in Northern Michigan over the last 25 years, we've learned a lot. The top 3 areas of concern we hear from the residents of Northern Michigan are worries about their physical health, their mental health, and their financial stress that they experience. The American Psychological Association published an article in November 2023 that stated 72% of Americans reported feeling stressed about money at least some point in the prior month. This means that most of your employees are negatively impacted by financial stress. And this not only hurts their ability to perform well at work, but it really impacts their lives outside of work as well. And this is where we come in to the picture at Centennial Wealth Advisory. An opportunity we provide employers is an educational financial workshop. We host these at your company and have them set up as lunch and learns, where we provide lunch for your employees and address the financial concerns that are causing them stress in their lives. The workshops are interactive, and we welcome questions during the educational discussions. If you would like more details on this service that we provide or to schedule a lunch and learn for your team, please feel free to email me directly at virgil@cen-wealth.com. Thank you for taking the time to view this message, and we look forward to working with you and your company soon.